Hello everyone, I've got some incredible news to share with you. I just heard that Microsoft has awarded me the MVP for years 2020 and 2021. I couldn't be more thrilled. It's been an incredible journey from years 2017 all the way up to now. I could not have done it without you. I wanted to jump on the camera and just say thank you. Thanks for your likes, your shares, your comments, your feedback, your week-to-week support, and in our group and in our channel, because without you, I would not be here today. I could not have done it without you. So thank you for that. Thank you for the people who recommended me. Thank you, Microsoft. It's been an amazing, amazing few years, and I can't wait because we have so much more to come. Earning the MVP is an amazing achievement, but it also allows me to spread the word about freelancing and Excel and help you in Excel, not only with Excel, but achieve your dreams through Excel. Achieve the financial results that you're looking for and your goals and your desires. And I aim to do that each and every week with my videos, courses, trainings, and products, and I will continue to do that. So from the bottom of my MVP heart, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting Excel for Freelancers. I continue to bring you more and amazing applications each and every week. Thank you. If you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe. I've got amazing content there every week for you, all for free. So thanks so much. I appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.